we will again be speaking about sneakiness, usability, and style. As far as the sneakiness goes, black is the gold for the dark side. And the street photography, as long as you keep it below your chest, of course, while you are wearing black. The shutter sound has a slight click, only can be heard indoors, or when you put it against your ear. Here's an example. And again. Size is really handy, and it is so easy to carry around. Fits in your back pocket or side pockets, any pocket I've encountered so far. So this camera has a 9.5 out of 10 points. Usability. It holds really nice in the hand. Ricoh Gr lineup was always the greatest for me to hold. I could even say it was tailored for my hands. The weight is right next to nothing. I can hold it all day, every day. The focus speed is open for discussion, but this is what I do. I get my snap focus distance to 1 meter, and if I wanna shoot something close up, I drive skin through them with 1 meter in my mind. For further away, I never had focus problems anyway. So I do not have to change focus from auto to manual, nor the other way around, just how you press the shutter. So in the usability aspect, the GR gets a 9 points. Again, that's the top of the line. It looks and feels premium, although it's made out of plastics partially. It definitely can endure some hits and crashes in my experience. You feel like holding a truly refined tool in your hands. Colors are really amazing with this camera. I used to have a Gr4, which was a 10 megapixels little slugger. And ever since then, I was longing for one again. More on that later. I got this to see if shooting JPEG on the remote was applicable to this camera. It is 16 megapixels, but the sharpness of the files and the power to resolute is far passing from X100's 16 megapixels versions. This gives you sharp images for every pixel available. So the image quality wise, the Gr2 gets a 6.5 out of 10. As a step by prior to the Gr2, I had the Gr4 and I just loved that camera for it was held, how it's operated and the image quality. But it had buffer problems when shooting in RAW, and it was not shooting continuously in RAW either, so to carry it around every day was not such a convincing idea. Then I just changed it back to the X100S Fujifilm and used a 28mm converter, which made the camera out of the compact line. So deep in my heart, I always wanted to get a true APS-C Gr. I have checked the Gr3, but I found it a bit too digital, not as sleek as the old design. Moreover, photos didn't seem quite what I was hoping for. So then I chose the Gr2 to carry as an everyday camera. Well, I'm pretty happy with my choice there, and stay tuned for a comparison video between the X100V, because that's what I sold to get this camera, and a couple of other equipments for my other camera gear, of course. Well, and I didn't look back once. Do I miss it? Stay tuned.
Luke, it is your destiny.